British author Salman Rushdie, whose sacrilegious writings have made him the target of death threats, was stabbed in the neck and torso on stage at a lecture in New York State on Friday and airlifted to a hospital, police said. Rushdie, 75, was being introduced to give a talk to an audience of hundreds on artistic freedom at Western New York's Chautauqua Institution when a man rushed to the stage and lunged at the novelist, who has lived with a bounty on his head since the late 1980s. Stunned attendees helped wrest the man from Rushdie, who had fallen to the floor. A New York State Police trooper providing security at the event arrested the attacker. Police identified the suspect as Hardy, a 24-year-old man from Fairview, New Jersey, who bought a pass to the event. A doctor in the audience helped tend to Rushdie while emergency services arrived, police said. Henry Reese, the event's moderator, suffered a minor head injury. Police said they were working with federal investigators to determine a motive. They did not describe the weapon used.